The Clough House, built between 1711 and 1715, is thought to be the sixth oldest building in the city of Boston and is located on Unity Street, right behind Old North Church. The Clough House was built on pasture land by Ebenezer Clough, who was the master mason who would go on to build Old North Church. He built the Clough House for his family, as well as 5 houses just like it, right along Unity Street. The building has served many purposes over time, including a single-family home, a multi-family home during the tenement era, and a house museum. Today, the Clough House serves a variety of purposes for Old North Church and historic site, including a retail space, an educational space, storage, offices, and even the home for our sexton. While the North End is home to nationally known historic sites like Old North Church and the Paul Revere House, the Clough House gives us a look at the unique history of the families that have made a community in this neighborhood over the past 400 years. The documentary and the archaeological record of the house reveals the more everyday, personal side of tenement-era life, recreating the stories of 2 groups often absent from the historical record: women and children. A large amount of children's toys and female-related artifacts, such as doll parts, marbles, lipstick, and a pie plate, were discovered during a 2013 archaeological excavation and paint a rather touching picture. As City of Boston archaeologist Joseph Bagley writes, "Women gardening, children playing, letters to write, pies in the oven, families doing what they could to get by and lead a normal life." Old North Church and Historic Site contains millions of bricks, and as you can imagine, we are often in need of masonry repairs. And recently, we received a grant from the George B. Henderson Foundation to do some repairs to the back of the Clough House. We repaired a failed lintel under the second-story window. We did some repointing to the wall, fixed some brickwork along the roof line, and fortunately now we're able to keep water outside of the building.